In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an email template in Hubspot. We'll focus on creating a simple one-to-one sales email template, which is perfect for outreach you send regularly, like follow-ups, introductions, or meeting confirmations. The goal is to set this up once so you can reuse it, stay consistent, and save time. First, log into your Hubspot account and head to the area where templates live. Depending on your setup, you'll either go to Library and then Templates, or you might see CRM and then Message Templates. Both paths lead you to the same general place, your template library, where you can create, edit, and manage all your email templates. Once you're in the templates area, look for the option to create something new. Click on New Template and then choose from scratch. This tells HubSpot you're starting with a completely blank email rather than using a pre-built layout. Starting from scratch is great when you know exactly what type of message you want to send and you want full control over the wording. Next, you'll be asked to enter a name and a subject. The name is just for internal use inside HubSpot, so make it descriptive enough that you'll recognize it later, like Initial Discovery Call Outreach or Post Demo Follow-up. The subject line is what your contacts will actually see in their inbox. Keep it clear, concise, and relevant to the purpose of the email. You can always come back and tweak the subject if you find something performs better over time. Now it's time to write the body of your email. Type your message just like you would in a normal email, but think about making it reusable. Avoid very specific details that only apply once, and instead write in a way that will still make sense when you send it to different contacts. To personalize your template, use the Personalize drop-down to insert contact tokens, such as the contact's first name, company name, or other information you've stored in your CRM. These tokens automatically pull in the right details for each person, so every email feels tailored, even though you're using a template. Make sure your sentences still read naturally around those tokens. When you're happy with your subject line and message body, go ahead and click Save Template. HubSpot will store it in your library, ready for you and your team to use in future one-to-one emails.